Hey, what's up guys? This is Nuna from the Print Post. Today we're going to teach you how to do installation with perforated vinyl, as you can see, and make it look like this.
Back it up,
Wait a minute now. All the shorties in the club, let me see your chest. Wait a minute now. Wait a minute now. Back it up, drop it down, let me see your chest. Wait a minute now. Wait a minute now. Get low, scrub the ground, let me see your chest. Back it up, drop it down.
Alright guys, so one of the first important steps is to make sure that you clean your windows. Use Windex. Just make sure that it's dry before and that there's like no debris on the corners especially and on the sides of the window. So after you have everything done and ready to go, just make sure that your temperature outside for installation is around like 40 degrees. If it's too cold, it might break the vinyl. So what you're going to do, starting from the part of the top of the artwork where you're going to do the install, you start peeling it away. You can do this inside, doesn't mean that you have to do it outside. You peel it out about 3 to 4 inches. After that, you fold the back part of it, crease it, and then you take it like this to do your install on the outside. So now we're just going to use this panel as a reference. It's just no print on it, but it's exactly the same installation. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to try to go to one of the edges of the glass, up on top on a corner, and make sure that you align it. As long as it's aligned on one of the sides, you should be fine then for the rest of the installation. Using a squeegee with the soft part, what you're going to do is just apply this first part in the beginning. So now this is the tricky part. What you're going to try to do, if you can't do it by yourself because the panel is too big, what you're going to do is just have someone else helping you. Make sure that you stretch it all the way at the bottom of the panel, that it keeps stretched. So you have the other person holding it at the bottom, and meanwhile what you're going to do is you peel it, the back part. The top part is still going to stay because we just applied it in the beginning, and then slowly, starting from the middle, you apply it and going into the edges. You peel it again, the middle first, then you go to the edges. As you can see, it keeps straight because we paid attention in the beginning to make sure that it wouldn't run away from that edge. Once you're done, you're going to see that this is the best solution when you need some privacy, and if you want to be able to look from the inside out. This is a great material, very easy to apply, no bubbles, and only at the print desk.
back it up,
Wait a minute.